Welcome back. Today I have the Chubhub Plant Shop Self-Care Stationary Advent Calendar. This is, I believe, a 12-day calendar. I am not sponsored by Chubhub at all. I just kind of like her advent calendars. I think they're very cute. You can choose to do this calendar just as a day at a time when you need a pick-me-up. You can do it 12 days in a row, or you can open it all at once, which is what I'm going to do today. So if you don't want any spoilers, you can choose to not watch the rest of this video. You can choose to watch part of it and see a few things to see if this is your thing, or you can choose to watch it all with me as I open everything in this box. So it's got a very cute box, a very sturdy box. I'll be keeping this box to store things. And when you open it up, we have all kinds of cute boxes inside. And I'm going to empty all these out so I can get them in order of days so that we can go through and open them. I'll be right back. Okay, I have a little bit of a semblance of order here. Not quite total, but it'll do. So day one, we have stickers. These are die-cut stickers that are waterproof, UV resistant laminate, high quality 3mm 3M vinyl. So let's pull these out. So these are really cute. You could use these on a water bottle, on the front of your planners, in your planners. You got some really cute things going on here. Little plants that the pots have faces. Okay, day two. It says belief in yourself. And we have a weekly planner. So let's make plans. That's really cute. So you can use this on your desk to do your weekly to-dos on. It has the whole to-do list over here, but you can put your appointments, work days, different things you want to accomplish each day in each one of those. I will definitely be pulling this out when it gets close to seed starting time so that I can keep track of what I should be doing. So that was day two. Now we need day three. Well, this is cute. It's a little stamp set. Has hanging baskets, 2 hanging baskets and 3 leaves, and it has the ink. How cute is that? Day 4. Here we go. And her packaging is really cute. You could use this as packaging when you're giving gifts. So we have a set of 3 washi tapes. Here we have, looks like a scene. And I will swatch these after we get everything else open. Here we have leaves that are gold foiled. And here we have a vine. Very nice. Okay, that was day 4. Day 5. This is kind of a big box, but it's not too heavy. Oh, this is the pen bag. Let me show you how this works. So this is really cool. It goes up like that. And you put your pens in. So it's tall enough to hold all your pens. And you zip it shut. When you get to wherever you're creating, so if you're creating on the go, then it has these 2 little tabs on the side here, one here, and you just pull that down And your pens are accessible without rooting through your bag, and you can put them back in. The bottom is flat, so it will stand up for you wherever you're working. So that's really cool. All right, day 6. I love these boxes. She spends a lot of time and a lot of attention to detail. Oh, cute. Happy Plant Shop Acrylic Shaker Charm. So this is a charm that you can put on your bag. I like to put mine on my bags that I use for journaling on the go. And so, yeah, it's got a bunch of leaves in there. You shake around. So cute. Okay, that was day 6. Yeah. Day 7. Okay, we got a large box. Not real heavy though. So let's see what we have in here. Oh wow, it's a sticker binder. How cool is that? So you can put your stickers in here, or you can put plain sheets of paper. I'm looking for where to open. Here it is. And it's got plants all over it. So totally fits the theme of this box. And it is a 6-ring binder, so you can put different sheets in there. I think they sell sheets that you can put stickers in. I've been trying to find the big ones to put in here. They're sold out at the moment, so I'm anxiously awaiting being able to buy those. Okay, day 8, belief in yourself. Oh, these are leaf paper clips. How cute are those? Those can fit on your journal to mark your place if you want, as well as they have ribbons in their journals, but you can mark your pages with this. You can hold pages together on your desk. All kinds of things there. So that was 8. We need day 9. Oh, it's a keychain. And it has a leaf, extra leaf hanging off it. Hold on now. How cute is that? It's got the plant and a plant leaf. Love that. I also like to put these on my bags that I use for going out and doing journaling on the go. That was 9. Where's day 10? Okay, here it is. I was going to say, what did I do with that? Another big box. Oh, cute. It's a keychain. It also has a claw on it. Keep growing plant plush. Isn't that cute? So you can sit that up in your office, on your desk, or on your journaling desk. You can, again, hang it from your journaling bag that you take with you. Plus, you can have your keys on it at the same time. How cool is that? Keep growing. Hubman and Chubgirl. Awesome. Love that. Okay, that was day 10. Day 11, right here. You're unbelievable. Oh, cool. These are our stickers for in our planners. How cool is that? You get 3 pages of different type stickers. It says just one more plant. And as someone who does flower gardening, yeah, just one more plant. And we all know if you're a gardener, it's always more, just one more. Lots and lots of times. Okay, this is day 12. What do we have here? Oh, we got a pair of socks. These, oh, these are so cute. I have a granddaughter who helps me in the garden, so I think these would be perfect for her. They got a little plant on them, on the down by the toes. Isn't that cute? Okay, that was day 12. Day 13. Oh, just keep growing. We have a card pack. So these are greeting cards complete with the envelopes. They're good, sturdy, heavy quality. This one says just keep growing. They're blank on the inside so you can add your own message. Belief in yourself. And you're unbelievable. Very nice. They make nice little greeting cards as well as thank you cards. Okay, I believe in you, day 14. Looks like we have a bag here. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm a bag girl. I love all the bags. I have quite a collection of bags. It says just one more plant, and I don't know if this is all getting in screen. This thing is huge. And it's the same on both sides. So this is perfect for taking along for journaling, shopping. I mean, this is big. You could put quite a few things in here when you're shopping, so you can use it as reusable shopping bag. Okay, our final day, day 15. And we have, it says keep growing. Oh, we have a journal. And it is in the same theme, so all these stickers and things we can use in this journal. And if you're a plant person, you can use this for keeping track of when you are to feed your plants, water your plants, plant seeds, move plants outside, move them back in, all the things. So this is a nice vinyl type cover. Has the place for your name in here. And it's a dot grid. The dot grids on hers are very faint, so they really do not interfere at all with your designs, but they help you keep things even and measured out. We have the envelope in the back. We have the Hubman Chubgirl in the back, and of course we have the elastic closure to keep our journal closed nice, safe, and tight, and of course the pen loop. So beautiful, beautiful. Now let's swatch that tapes so you can get a better look at them. Open my swatch book to a new piece here. And this one is called Happy Vines. So this is Happy Vines. That would make a nice border or set up a nice line down your journal. This one is called Happy Leaves. This one is called Happy Leaves. and they have a foiling on them. This one is called Happy Plant Shop. So these are our washi tapes. The one has gold foiling around the edge of the leaves, but this is gorgeous. This will work very well in our planner and journaling. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything. And leave a comment below. Do you like this advent calendar? Is it something you would consider? And I will see you next time. Bye now.